It's time for some favorites in the skincare category. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Maryam here. In today's video, I'm doing a roundup of my favorite skincare products that I am currently loving. Also some new products that have just landed on my lap, some tried and true ones that I've been loving for a while. This is gonna be one of those videos that you might wanna bookmark and watch later and jot down, take some notes, get some popcorn, whatever you gotta do. I'm gonna jump right into it. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already, hit the notification bell so you can see all of my videos. And now let's get to this skincare favorites. Here we go. So to begin this roundup, I want to talk about Glow Recipe. Oh my god, I am obsessed with their watermelon collection that includes these three products: the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and also their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask for glowing radiance and softening. All three of these products are new and I have been using them non-stop, religiously. I can't put them down. First of all, I love watermelon. Secondly, I love the fact that these products are super lightweight. They're great for the summer. They're great for my oily skin. Watermelon contains known anti-inflammatory properties, so I feel like it's kind of an active ingredient that naturally detoxifies the skin, gets rid of impurities. All of these have different purposes. The Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which is $28, is great to use as a setting spray to kind of refresh your makeup, refresh your skin. I even like to spray my beauty blenders with it instead of water, and it kind of just gives me this really dewy, fresh sort of feeling. I don't feel that it irritates my skin. In fact, it makes my makeup lay on just a little bit more evenly and it makes me feel good. Smells incredible. My girl Foinika talked about this one in our Faves and Fails makeup edition video that you can check out after you watch this video. And this is her favorite go-to setting spray. Mine was the Huda Beauty, but this is an amazing one as well, especially for the summer when you don't wanna add too much to your makeup routine. This is a great one. $28 is not that bad. It's available at Sephora. I'm a fan. I'm also a huge fan of this Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, another lightweight product that's really great to wear under your makeup. It absorbs really quickly, leaves your skin feeling very smooth, very satiny. It can also almost work as a primer. That's how quickly it absorbs. I love the packaging. This feels very chic, very cool. I like it. $39, I recommend it, especially for the summer, especially if you have oily skin, especially if you don't want any residue or heaviness on your skin. This is great. I've talked about it before and I'm gonna stop talking about it right now because I want to talk about this Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It gently exfoliates, it boosts radiance because it includes some hyaluronic acid and some AHAs, which gives that smoother skin complexion. So again, very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a mask, but it's something that you can apply to your skin and expect results the very next day. This one is $45. I've been using all of these on the daily. I like what Glow Recipe is doing. This is a new brand that deserves some recognition, and I'm really excited to see their upcoming collections and some of the other products that they're going to bring to the beauty community. I'm going to move on to another moisturizer that I've been loving lately. I'm talking about the Erno Laszlo Hydrotherapy Gel Cream. This one is a pricey one. For $126, you get about this much product, 1.7 fluid ounces, which is actually a little bit less than this $39 moisturizer. But what I like about this super high-end, very pricey product is that it is actually and factually the most fast absorbing moisturizer I have ever tried in my entire makeup existence. This product glides on and then your skin just sucks it up. I don't know how it does it. My skin is super oily. Even with a lightweight moisturizer, it always feels like there's something on it. It always gets mixed in with my oils or whatnot. With this product, I don't feel anything. This one actually can act as a primer because it does perfect the skin and it has some active ingredients, which I will not get into. You guys can look it up. I will link all the products that I'm talking about down below. This product has a mile-long list of ingredients that I will not get into, but basically what that means is that this product also has some long-term effects. You're not gonna get that instant gratification here, although you will, but you will also get some long-term skin care benefits, which to me is kind of worth the price. Here on the one hand, you have some skincare products that offer instant gratification, but they don't do anything in the long run. And then on the other hand, you have a really pricey product that does something over time. This one does both, which is why I like it. I've been wearing it under my makeup. Honestly, I'm using using it very sparingly because this is pricey, even for me, and I get the stuff for free, you guys. It works, I like it. I'm an oily skin girl, so I had to share this with you guys, with other oily skin people out there. Speaking of Erno Laszlo, I've also been loving their multi-phase makeup remover. Blends in with my background. And what it is a dual phase or bi-phase makeup remover that does not feel like oil at all. I used to use the Lancome Bifacil or Bifacil makeup remover that everyone loves and swears by. That one's a cult favorite. Also pretty pricey. This one's $55. I'm not sure how much the Lancome is, but you can sometimes get it for free in a small sample size along with a purchase. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this one is pricey, but this one has absolutely zero, and I mean zero, greasy residue. It's interesting that this product has no residue whatsoever on the skin, and this product also has no residue when you remove your eye makeup, the waterproof kind, the glitter kind, all kinds. It removes the makeup, leaves no oils, and it doesn't strip your skin of all the necessary oils that your skin produces. I like it, I've been using it, and I secretly like it more than the Lancome. I'm sorry, Lancome, but something about this one is just easier, you know? It's just faster, it gets the job done quicker, so I keep reaching for it. Oh, another super pricey product. Brace yourselves, guys. This Dream Skin 1 Minute Mask by Dior is an absolute instant gratification wonder. The reason why you'd want to use something that has that instant gratification is because it's an instant skin pick-me-up. So let's say you have a really big event, a wedding, a baby shower, a gender reveal, a graduation, I don't know, you name it, a job interview, and you want to look your best. This is one of those products that you could apply right before you apply your makeup, and it will give your skin that nice necessary boost. It will tighten the skin, it will tighten your pores, it will plump your skin, it will basically make your skin look a little bit more youthful and just a little bit more glowing from within, and all of those good things. Also, when you apply this on, there's a gentle peeling action, so it gives you that more luminous, more radiant, more plumped, more youthful sort of appearance. Smells amazing. Again, use it sparingly if you have $75 to spend on this, but do keep it for those special occasions. All right, moving on to something a little bit more affordable. I have some new favorites from Pixi, namely this Pixi Vitamin C Juice Cleanser with orange flower water and vitamin C. This is a brightening cleanser, which has this really cool and convenient pump that you could use with a cotton ball or a cotton pad and basically remove all traces of your makeup while also feeding your skin and giving it that nourishment, that vitamin C that helps the healing process. For someone like me who suffers from breakouts, from dark spots, this helps with that. It helps kind of speed up the brightening of my dark spots and the healing of my acne. So I really like it. I basically keep it on my counter in the bathroom and I use it every day. This one is $18, available at Target or at pixibeauty.com. Vitamin C plus antioxidants, helps make impurities disappear, heals imperfections. What more can you ask for? Ooh, also Pixi has this new rose body balm with rose flower and rose hip oil that I have been bathing in since I got this in LA while I was launching my collab products with Pixi. This is an amazing product. First of all, it smells so good, and let me tell you, the rose scent is my very favorite scent. This is amazing. It does the job, plus it makes you smell like roses. What more can you ask for? $24. I've been using this, clearly you can tell. But anyway, I recommend it, I like it, listing down below. I just talked about a whole bunch of newer products that I've been loving, but I do want to mention this one product that I keep reaching for, and it's actually my go-to product whenever I'm feeling super lazy and I really don't want to do skincare. It happens more often than you think. This is the one product that I never skip. I always tell myself it's so easy, it's the one product that you can't go without. I'm talking about Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2 serum. This is probably a product that you guys have seen a lot on Instagram. I feel that Estee Lauder might have done a big campaign with a lot of influencers, but I'm not paid to say this. I've been using this prior to the campaigns and I love this product. This is actually an amazing serum. It targets the signs of aging, and I don't care how old you are. I don't care if you're 22. You're not too young to use something like this. It's not gonna necessarily reverse the signs of aging, but it will definitely help your skin be a little bit more youthful longer. So it's one of those preventative products that I find really works. And I definitely do see a difference after using it at night. Even after just one use, the morning after, my skin feels a lot more plump, my pores feel a lot more tight, my skin just feels more lifted and a lot more even toned. So this is a product that does a lot. It covers a lot of ground and I'm a huge fan. I've been a fan for a while. This particular size, the 1.7 fluid ounces, retails for $100. I know it's a lot. The 1 fluid ounce size is, I believe, $70, and I'm sure they have a larger size that's probably like 400 bucks. Get yourselves this one if you are kind of starting to worry about aging, or maybe you haven't worried about aging at all, but now that you're watching this video, perhaps I'm telling you that you should be. This is a great starter sort of product to keep in your arsenal, to add to your regimen. I love it, I swear by it, and I would 100% recommend it to you guys. Ooh, I'm getting into my favorite category, the acne category. I do have a story for you guys. It's not actually my story because thankfully my skin's been cooperating lately. Let me not jinx it. I've been using these two products, not on myself, but actually on my little sister who's 11 years old. My sister and my brother were visiting. They were staying with us for about a week last week. And when my sister came over, we noticed that she had a pretty major breakout along her hairline and on the top of her forehead. I'm not sure if it's because of her age, she's about to hit puberty, or whether it's this very sensitive area that's always exposed to the sun or that's always sweating. But point is, I felt really bad for her. You know, it's enough being 11 and dealing with all the things that you deal with at 11, but then to start getting these really unflattering bumps and talking about confidence, I mean, listen, I couldn't take that. I was like, we're gonna take care of this. So I started using this Glam Glow Star Potion Liquid Charcoal Clarifying Oil, which is basically a black oil that you're supposed to shake before you apply it on. I started using this one on my sister's breakouts on her forehead and also on her nose every night before she was going to bed. And then I would add this Mario Badescu drying lotion, which I've talked about before numerous times. This is like a star player. Anyone who has any type of breakout or acne needs to get your hands on this. This is an amazing product. So I use the drying lotion on larger individual pimples or acne breakouts. No lie, you guys, within 4 days, her skin was completely cleared. The bumps were gone, non-existent, as if there were no bumps to begin with. And the larger breakouts, which she had popped, unfortunately, they had actually started to peel thanks to this Mario Badescu drying lotion. I feel like this was a really big victory. She actually went on my Insta stories and she told this whole entire story. What a brave little soul. And I'm so proud of her. And she was just so happy just to like see her smile and to see her being confident again and saying, look at my forehead, it's clear. I mean, that was an amazing feeling. So I had to tell you guys about this. If it worked for her, it'll for sure work for anyone who suffers from anything similar. I have just a few more products to mention. I'm gonna mention another mask that I've been loving. This Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. Perfect for the humidity. This one feels so good and so cooling on your skin. Ooh, let me tell you, I'm about to put this one on right now after I finish filming. First of all, this looks just like my backdrop. Also, it's just such a delicious, flattering, satisfying, ooey goodness of a mask. I'm even smiling right now just looking at it. Smells kind of pepperminty, so it definitely does have that cooling sensation. What this does is basically it shrinks your pores and it tightens your skin. I don't care if you think you don't have skin that needs to be tightened. Everyone, and I mean everyone's skin, can use a little bit of lifting and tightening. Trust me, because your skin will look so much better after you put this on for just 15 minutes and rinse it off. I don't know whether it's the cooling pepperminty sort of sensation, but it definitely makes your pores shrink. It makes them shrivel up into nothingness and it tightens and it lifts your skin. I'm a fan. Plus it feels cooling, so it's great for this weather. This one retails for $36. You can use this a couple times a week, maybe twice or thrice. And yeah, it's another one of those instant gratification type of products that I'm a big fan of. Everything that I'm mentioning here is not just oily skin friendly, it's also pore friendly, it's also sensitive skin friendly, and it's acne acne-prone skin friendly. Take note, this was not planned. Okay, so the next product that I want to mention is a product that works not just for your skin, but also for your sleep. This product is a little bit controversial, and I was a bit hesitant to talk about it, but you know what? It's not really controversial because it's completely legal. I'm talking about Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Green Relief Therapeutic Sleep Cream and Skin Protectant with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Yes, this is a CBD type of skincare, which is just so trendy and so popular right now, but this does not contain psychoactive type of CBD and THC. This is completely legal and it is being sold at Sephora. Actually, it is sold out pretty much everywhere. This is a $65 product and it works not just to help relax your skin and your wrinkles and fine lines, but it also helps to relax you. Let me tell you something. This cream is a magic cream. I put this on rather infrequently actually because I am a pretty deep sleeper. I don't have problems falling asleep. However, there are certain weeks and there are certain days where my work is piled up and I work for 12, 13, 14, 15 hours back to back. And on days like that, I just need a little bit of extra relaxation. So I am not a CBD type of person. I am not someone who is into smoking it or ingesting it, but the sleeping cream is something that I've started to use ever since this was sent to me, and I've been loving it because it works. It definitely does relax my muscles on my face and it makes me sleep like a baby, you guys. So much so that in the very beginning, when I first started using this, I found it hard to wake up. I would have amazing dreams and I would sleep forever, to the point where I was saying to Lee, I was joking, I was saying that I might need a wake-up cream from this therapeutic sleep cream. This also contains 2% retinoids, so it smooths lines and wrinkles, plus it contains topical melatonin, which helps you and your skin rest its best. You know what I'm saying? I'm a fan. I've even taken this pump and given some to my mom in a little container, and she tried it. She loves it. This stuff works, and I need some more because I'm running out. So Thomas Roth, can you hook me up? Because I need a refill. One more product that I want to mention, speaking of Thomas Roth, this is not a skincare product, but I might have mentioned this Lashes to Die For Turbo Conditioning Lash Enhancer, also from Thomas Roth. This is the product that I've been using on my lashes and also on my brows to help them grow. I've been using this one for almost 8 weeks now, so I would say a month and a half to almost 2 months. Don't quote me on that because I don't know how to count. And it's definitely made a difference in my lashes, in the fullness of my brows, in the sparseness of my brows. They're no longer sparse. I feel like I'm actually able to retain more of my lashes because you know how they naturally fall out? I haven't noticed any of that. Even when I use my lash curlers and crimpers, these babies are strong now, and I'm actually able to wear mascara more times than I wear falsies, except for today, because today I was filming this look. And if you like this look, I have an IGTV video on this look. Anyway, thought I'd mention this. Also another pricey product, but it works. I have a video on this one as well, documenting my lash growth and also my brow fullness growth. So check it out if you haven't already. And with this product, I am going to conclude this video. I know it's been very chatty and it's also kind of late at night, so I'm tired and my voice is cracky. Once again, what else is new? But I wanted to share some of these favorites with you guys. I always want to do these roundup videos just in case you don't know where to find that one product that I mentioned. This is the one skincare favorites video that you might want to save along with my other monthly favorites in case you find a product that you're interested in and want to go back to. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing and for being awesome. I wish you a great day, a fantastic week, a fabulous month, year. If it's your birthday, then happy birthday. Click on some of my other videos if you are still here and have nothing to do. I'm off to bed. Bye guys.